Leisure Park, we have playmaker. Break quickly at the start. One man solis by Daryl. Quick play comes next. Running alongside Karma. Paragood's order. Next online die will be done. Flying Jordan. Down on the inside comes Lord Elgin. Next online is Courthouse. Then followed over by Bravely Bold. Stormhold down on the inside Sunline. While entry number 2. And this one is Ilocos Pride. And going along for the first turn we have Playmaker, the early leader by a length and a half. One man soul is right behind in second. Moving upon the outside to take third is die will be done. Driving back in for this Playmaker. Next online is Paragood's order. Then followed by Lord Elgin. Moving upon the outside now is Stormhold. Karma comes next. Flying Jordan. Courthouse Sunline. Bravely Bold second last while Ilocos Pride is racing in 13th. And at the part turn we have Playmaker by about 2 lengths. They will be done in second. One man soul driving back in third. And Diana went entering the home stretch. We have Playmaker is still in control, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. They will be done is still in second. Moving up now on the outside. Stormhold running by the rail is entry number 5. And this one is Lord Elgin with about 75 meters of the race. We have Playmaker followed by entry number 6 Stormhold and finally Playmaker Stormhold. Die will be done. Then comes Lord Elgin, Flying Jordan and Quick Play for your